Good morning, welcome to Vlogcember. So I just did a quick morning routine and now I'm gonna put my brushes back in their place. If you saw yesterday's Vlogcember, you saw that I washed all my brushes, so they're dried up and I'm gonna put them back in their place. So I invite you for the ride. So the first ones I organize are the bigger ones, the Sony G and the Refers and the BK Beauty. Let's start with these first. This one's still a little wet, so I'll leave it on the side, but all these are dry. I'm gonna start with the Sony G ones. Here I place my BK Beauty brushes. This is a Sony G brush, so I'm going to put it on the wooden box. I missed this one. And then here I put my Refer brushes and my miscellaneous brushes. So let me put the Refer first. And then I have this from Chantecaille, Natasha Denona, and then this is for certain skincare, another Refer, and two spoolies. Now I know like the wing gauze were in here, so I don't know how they fitted. Oh, maybe I had these in here. This is a Chantecaille brush, so I'm going to put it here. And then these three I hardly ever use, so I'm going to put them aside. I know I had them here. How come they don't fit now? No, I don't remember where they were because they don't fit. I know this was here because it's big. And oh, this one wasn't here because this is new. But I have to put it here because I want to put it together with the rest of the Sony G. I'm gonna have to put these little tiny ones, the travel set from Sony G. I'm gonna have to put it inside this little one because they don't fit. And then I'll put the wing gauze brushes here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to do that because regardless, I don't use these often. I use this when I travel, so I could put this over here with the Refer brushes. Yep, perfect. Ooh. I'm putting them back where they go. So it looks kind of messy on camera. I don't know why, because in person it looks pretty fine. Here are my BK Beauty brushes. This is makeup that I have to do a video on, that I have to try. My BK Beauty brushes, my lip pencils and eye pencils. These are my miscellaneous Refer brushes, and these are my wooden box. So they're fresh and clean. The only one I'm missing is this one. It's a little bit wet still, and I'm gonna let it dry today as I go to work, so I should be good. I was thinking, since I'm already here in my room, I'm gonna show you my whole table. It looks a little bit disorganized. The thing is that that's all the space that I have. I have drawers, but that's for storage, for things I don't use, or things that not that I don't use, that I have as backup for replacements, or for things I'm putting away for a giveaway, which I want to announce very soon, I promise. I'm getting everything together ready to make a announcement for a future giveaway, but I think I'm gonna take advantage of this time and show you the rest of my table. Okay, so there's not a lot of lighting right now, but I'm gonna start here on the left. These are my perfumes. I'm not gonna go one by one, but and then here is my oils and my sunscreens, some more perfumes and splashes. I have my hair stuff here, my oils and my perfume, hair perfume, and my leave-in conditioner. These here are all my mascaras. These on the front are brand new or ones that I haven't tried yet. So, and these I have to declutter this really soon. Back here I have all my deodorant, and I have some other brushes from IT Cosmetics, and I have Scott Barnes. This is my hairbrush, my sponges, my hand mirror is there. These are all skincare, and I had to have it here because if I don't see it, I like to see things or I won't remember to use them, unfortunately. So all this is my Chantecaille and Sisley Paris, and I have other things here. Some I haven't tried and some I have tried. These are my Retro Ray skincare and my stuff, my apparatus. And these are a makeup that I want to try soon for a video, so I have them separate in a box. And you saw this already. These are my brushes, fresh and clean liners, lip liners and eyeliners, more brushes. These are my nail stuff. And then here is for my next video, I want to use probably this foundation, so I have it out, and powder that I want to try. So that's why this is out, because it's for our next video. And then back here is my Beekeeper travel case that they kindly sent to me, and all these back here are my, it's dark, but all these are my eyeshadows. So then when we come here, these in the front, the top two are my lipsticks. All my lips, most of my lipsticks are here, and then my second drawer I have more, and all my lip glosses. And then the third drawer is my primers, bronzers, and powders. Maybe it's not the best order, but it's the way everything fit best. Here are my foundations and concealers. I'm not gonna go through all of them, maybe one day, but just to give you an overall view, these are my foundations, cushion foundations, and these are my tinted moisturizers and concealers. And then down here are more, these are my highlighters and some bronzers too, but mostly highlighters and blushes. So yeah, I don't have a lot of space, but I do have everything in a certain section. I had to have everything in a specific area so everything fits, and it makes sense to me when I'm here. And then I do want to declutter just a little bit because I want more space to work with, but I think overall I'm pretty good. I think so. So now I'm gonna get drink some of my café con leche, some breakfast, and catch up on some emails and get ready to go to work. Hey you guys, welcome to my office. Since it's a little bit quiet today, I am taking advantage of that and scanning and shredding things that I didn't have time to do before. So I'm organizing my desk. So I hope you don't mind if you join me for a few minutes. quién fue. Este no es que soy un contador. ¿Conoce a alguien aquí? De nadie. Ah, puede ser. Un momentito. You're welcome. Hello again. So as you can tell, I am home and I did receive my Boxycharm box this month or today, so I'm gonna open it up now with you guys and see what came. So let's see. Gift of Glam. First I see here is from Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. I like that. I like hyaluronic acid. From Algenist, I got a triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. Let me put the camera a little bit down. There we go. Algenist, formulated with hyaluronic acid, triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. This is for dark under eye circles, the appearance of lines and wrinkles. So check it out. And we got from Georgia, from Benefit Georgia. Oh, I see. I think it's a blush. Sweep onto cheeks to look as sweet as a Georgia peach. That's a cute box. Maybe a little bit too dark for me. It's pretty. There we go. And it does have like some shimmer, some highlight. Actually, let me take this off because I'm not going to use it. Does the mirror have a... No. Okay, this is from Araceli Beauty, 2 beauty sponges. Always come handy. And finally, from Luna Liner, water resistant liquid eyeliner from Seraphine Botanicals. I got something from Seraphine from Ipsy, I think. Let's see what it is. I might put this aside to gift, as well as the sponges, because I have a lot of sponges. Overall, it's not that bad, but I don't know. But lately, I've noticed Boxycharm is not giving that good boxes as before. I don't know. Let me guys know in the comments below if you guys think the box is worth it. The eye balm retail value is $68. Wow. The hyaluronic serum, $45. The peach, $30. The sponges, $24. And the liner, $18. I think it's kind of rough, reasonably priced. So I guess you are getting your money's worth. Yeah, overall, I guess it's not that bad. Because just with those two, with just one of these products, just with I think they're now going for $25 the boxes, but I think they might go up. So just with the blush, for example, you're getting your money's worth. I guess it is overall. I just wish they had a little bit more, I don't know, more going on. But it's not that completely bad. At least the version that I got. I got the BA. Maybe other people got something else. So yeah, this is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in another day of Vlogcember. Good night, you guys. Bye.